So before I actually show you how you can start your own AI agency, I want you to think about what has happened in the last 4 years. In just 2023, more than 10,000 AI tools were built, and which more than 4,000 were made only for service providers. Now think about the impact of this quantity on the overall industry. We don't need designers to design our posts or thumbnails for our YouTube channel. No copywriter is needed anymore. Anyone on the planet can code and build systems if they know how to use ChatGPT. Teachers, developers, video editors, script writers, and blog writers, all these people are being replaced. Now tell me, do you still believe that your services are relevant in the next 4 to 5 years? Well, if you're an online service provider, the answer isn't what you might think of. Agency owners and consultants and coaches who still believe that your organic and manual client acquisition and retention methods will scale them or actually pursuing a dead end. You need to change, and I will show you how you can disrupt the market by starting an AI agency. Before diving in, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you receive more of such disruptive videos. Now, our brain has actually two parts. One is more focused on day-to-day operations, which we call the worker part, and the other one is actually a strategic part in which we design and link things up. Now, there is one edge that we human have over animal, and that is the ability to use tools. So most of the online service providers are selling commoditized services, which means that they are carrying a high risk of replication and replacement. This is why there is a huge competition out there, and no one is actually thinking about what the client wants. They just offer what they do, right? This is actually creating a saturated market where pricing is being compromised and quality is being reduced. Now, if you're also in this quagmire, then I have an escape plan for you, and this is actually to start an AI agency. By AI agency, I actually mean that you utilize the strategic part of your brain and use tools and resources to resolve the real problem in your client journey. All the services that are being replaced by AI are no AI services, and that can be leveraged at a scale and can be used to solve some bigger problem faster. It doesn't matter what services are you selling, but if you integrate AI, you can slowly shift towards it in the long run, because all the successful businesses have taken advantage of trends to their fullest. Look at Nvidia, the third largest company with over $1 trillion in valuation. It's an AI company, and you can't imagine how fast it went to achieve the mark. Why? Because it followed the trend. Now, as you know, I talk a lot about building infrastructures that can bridge the whole gap between the current state of a client and their desired growth state. With AI, you can do just the same with almost no marginal cost of replication. Means any system that you build for your client can easily be installed in other client businesses with just one-time cost for you. It also will save a lot of time, and you don't need to manage a lot of stuff together. And the more humans you have, the more difficult it is to manage. Plus, you don't have to pay each human monthly in your business. This is how you get more than 95% of the margin. Let me give you some real case scenarios. A client wants you to book appointments for them. You can integrate ChatGPT using Zapier and go high level with your custom tools or website, and it can work as an appointment setter for them. Obviously, you have to train it. Now, building this whole system requires time and knowledge, which the client doesn't have. So you build this system one time and the client can use it for lifetime. Another example is that client wants you to do email marketing for them. You can strategize and script the whole process using ChatGPT, and then you can build AI workflows one time, and it can send customized messages for a lifetime over months, right? In the space of marketing, for example, you can use AI-powered campaigns. They bring AI-generated ads, creative content, and smart data analysis to the table, among other things. The best part of running AI agency is that you analyze data and come up with innovative solutions, which in turn gives you an edge over other companies. All the system that I mentioned can be used for lifetime with just one-time cost. Now, there are hundreds of systems that I can discuss with you because we're building and implementing such systems on a weekly basis in our client businesses, right? So you can do the same, and it will solve the actual problem in your client business and will scale your business faster than you have imagined. I have built some great systems that have generated us over 6 figures, and I'm going to share that with 10 people from my YouTube subscribers. Just comment systems, and the winner will receive this system among the SOPs and other details with which they can implement and build a 7 figures agency. Share your perspective on AI in the comment section and how it can shift the whole industry. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll be waiting for your success. Thank you so much.